So here's the airplane, the XK A280 P-51 Mustang. You can see inside the board. I'm unable to tell like what version it is. I just bought it just like last week, so I'm assuming it is the most recent version that's out there, but I don't really know. So here is my transmitter, TX16S. As you can see, I'm running the latest version of the multi-module. I'm running pretty much the latest version of Edge TX. If I back out and go over to the model, here is my model. I have the model set up as AETR, so you can see aileron, elevator, and rudder, and then of course throttle on 3. I also have mode on 5 to set the flight mode. Go in to take a look at it. We can see that I have internal RF. I have the 4-in-1 module, and right now I have it set up for the older protocol. It's set at this was an experiment I was doing, so I'll back out of that. So here it's set with the older protocol, and so when I go down to the bottom, and ID is unique, okay, so I go into the airplane and we plug it in. Okay, sorry I can't show the phone very well on this, but so I go in there, I plug it in. All right. So it's doing a double flash. Don't know what that means. And so now I'll take and move the transmitter away a bit from the airplane. It's over there. So we'll go ahead and hit the bind button. So it beeped once. Airplane is still double flashing everywhere, including the little red light on the receiver. So now we will take and we will turn the airplane off and back on again, like they say in IT. Off, back on again. Still gets the double flash. Now we'll change the transmitter to the newer protocol, which would be XK2 and X4, I believe is what it was said to be. So once again, we'll go and bind it. Oops, this time it didn't make a noise. Okay, well, I'll press the bind button again. Alright, I don't know why it didn't make a noise, but the airplane is still flashing. And I guess what I can do is try one more thing, and this time, after turning it off and back on again, unplug, plug back in. You notice there's also an XK on here, in addition to XK2. I don't know what that does, but I can certainly try it. And now we have a couple of different sub-protocols, 450, 420 cars. We'll try the first one. And that one didn't do anything. So we'll try the second one. Plane is still flashing. Try the second one. Plane is still flashing. That's about all I know what to do.